You're charged with yet another possession of marijuana. This is number 4. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Okay, Logan.
On August 12th, 2024, at about 1 in the morning, stop on a vehicle, stopping past the stoplight at a red light. Officers observed the odor of marijuana upon approach. The defendant was the operator of the car. PC search uncovered marijuana in the back of the front passenger seat. The defendant admitted the marijuana was 15.5 grams.
So the stop was for stopping in front of a red light?
It's the little white line. He passed into the intersection of the red light.
Sir,
You guys into the crosswalk?
The officer told me something else that he pulled me up.
you have the right to remain silent. Exercise that right.
Fourth possession is where the court stops seeing bad luck and starts seeing a pattern, and patterns change how judges react fast.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Mr. Aguilar, do you have a Texas driver license?
No.
Can you run his license, Logan, please?
Suspended. Because when I got pulled over, I showed him my license.
Just because you have a license doesn't mean that it's valid. At some point, you may have to renew it, you may have to do something else, or you may have tickets, and if you don't take care of it, they suspend your license. Your license is now suspended. They just checked with DPS. You will be signing an affidavit, which is a promise that you're going to make with me, Mr. Jameson Aguilar, that you're not to use or drive any car whatsoever. And if I find that you do, I will have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car. And I don't care what you do. I don't care where you're going. I don't care how you try to justify it. You will be doing a lot of time in jail. Do you understand me?
Odor alone can establish probable cause in many states, and once the search is legal, everything found becomes admissible evidence.
I'm also ordering you not to use any alcohol or illegal drugs. How old are you? How old are you?
22.
What do you do for a living?
I sell cars sometimes, and I work once in a while. I had a job, but I got fired from my job, so I'm looking for a job. I'll be doing no side jobs and stuff.
Where do you live?
I know you, Rosin.
How much dope was in the car?
It was 15.5 grams, Your Honor. Additionally, when I read his driver's license, it looked like his license had 12 current suspensions for driving without insurance.
How many?
12.
You have 12? Did you say 12 tickets?
12 suspensions. I assume those are longer
Yeah,
tickets.
all the suspensions are DWLI. Right under the DWLI, it says no liability insurance, and that looks to be like indefinite. So,
Did you hear what they just said?
Yes, sir.
12 different suspended license cases. If I see you drive, I will literally hit the roof because I will be so upset. And if I get upset, I'm going to unleash on you. And it's not going to be in a good way. I'm now sending you for a drug test. And I'm ordering you to come back again tomorrow so we can talk about it. And when you come back,
When a judge says probable cause, that means the case is officially moving forward. No arguing facts today, just consequences later.
you come back at 8:30 in the morning, not at 11, not at 10:02, not at 11:42, 8:30 in your seat tomorrow. Do you understand? Then we will talk about your situation as far as what you're doing with work, whether you graduated high school, and what you're doing with your life. Mr. Jameson Aguilar, you have now, from 2021, a prior evading arrest, a felony theft from a person, another theft, an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, fleeing, attempting elude police officers, possession of marijuana, possession of marijuana, possession of marijuana. It changes now. Do you understand?
I don't get in trouble. It's just little stuff. Been changed my life around. I'm a whole
It doesn't
different
change
person.
nothing. If you think you've changed, then I'm Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz.
Been in
This no driving order is not advice, it is a direct command, and violating it turns into instant jail through contempt of court.
trouble. I don't do no dumb stuff, not no crash dummy. Man, that's when I was 17, 18 years old. I'm 22.
You're in front of me now with another criminal case. And if you don't think this is nothing,
It's because I buy cars and I ain't clean my car. That's what
Mr. Aguilar, I'm sending you for a drug test now. And then I want you back here tomorrow. And we are going to examine your life in full to see where we go from here, to make sure that you end up on the up and up. Do you understand? That's what we're doing.
you send me for a drug test and I'm gonna come out
Right.
at the end.
I know you're going to be dirty, but I want to know, I know you're going to be dirty. I want to know what is in your system.